Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you a brand new series on how to build a responsive email list very quickly. So what we're going to do is it entails 4 key steps. And if you understand what these 4 key steps are, you will be able to fill your pipeline of leads where you're never going to have to worry about running out of people to talk to. So the key is going to be, we're going to be priming the engine here to building this responsive list. So I'm going to give you what the 4 steps are, and then we're going to focus on the first step for the rest of this video. The first step is you need to have an audience. You need to build that audience. The second step is you need to have a lead magnet. The third step is you need to have a website. And number 4 is finally the emails. So let's start with number 1, which is the audience. So when you're building an audience, one of the big challenges that many people have, especially if you're in the network marketing profession, is that you think everybody is your product. Everyone would benefit from your product, service, or business. And that is simply not the case. You see, when you market to everybody, you market to nobody. And so what we want to do is we need to build an audience around who is our ideal prospect. Who is the perfect person that would most benefit from our product, service, or business. So you want to come up with a profile of who that perfect person is. You want to break down by how old are they? Are they married? Are they single? Do they have kids? What are the biggest challenges that they're having? Where are they typically hanging out on social media? Are they more Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Twitter? Where do they like to hang out? What books are they reading? What are they watching on TV? Come up with a profile. And then what you're going to do is you're now going to pick one place to build your audience. This was a big mistake that I made back in the day where I tried to build my audience on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I spread myself thin, and I really didn't take the time to cultivate and build the relationship. So you're going to build this audience. Focus on one social media network, okay? Maybe you're going to focus on Facebook if that's where your perfect prospect likes to hang out. Or is it Twitter? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram? Whatever that is, you're going to focus on that one network, and you're going to work on building that audience. So that means you're going to want to learn how to generate leads using Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. Learn everything you can about that platform and how to use it the right way to build your audience. Once you're building your audience and you're adding new followers, you should set a goal for meeting and building, having at least adding 10 new people to your followers, whether you're adding 10 new friends or followers on Facebook, or 10 new followers on Instagram, 10 new followers on Twitter. Okay, wherever you're hanging out, whatever that one social media network you're going to be focusing on, you want to track that. Okay, and it's very easy to do if you go out there and know how to meet people and you get them to follow you. So you want to make sure you're learning on these different social media platforms what is the best way to set up your profile that will get people to want to reach out to you. Now, the way you're going to branch off and start adding other social media networks, the cutoff is going to be where you are going, if you are adding, you're getting at least anywhere between 10 and 20 new leads for your business every single day. You're doing it consistently for about 90 days. Then you can start looking at, okay, now I can look at adding and putting, incorporating another social media network into building my audience. But focus on one. You want to build depth, okay, not breadth, okay? When you build depth, because what you want to be doing is you want to be seeking conversations over conversions, because people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. And so if you're building that know, like, and trust factor, then you're going to be able to take them to the next step, where you want to take them from people who are cold, who don't have any idea of who you are and what you're about. You're going to guide them to the next step, where you want them to raise their hand to take the next step in the process, which is to get them on your email list, which is to see if they're open to looking at your lead magnet. And that's what we're going to talk about in the next video here. So if you got value today, leave a comment and share. Now, people who are on my newsletter are going to get notified when this next video comes out in the series. So if you are not on my newsletter, go to workwithdrlisathompson.com, put in your best email address, and then I will send that video to you when it goes live. And not only that, when you're on my newsletter, I'm also going to be sending you additional tips and strategies and resources that will help you grow a full-time income while only working part-time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.